Hi everyone, welcome to one of my unique and amazing video. So today we have come to our Titilagarh and there is a park where we are going to enter today and have fun speaking in English. So how we are going to speak and how people will react on us, their expression, their emotion, their action, everything we are going to show you. So first of all we are outside of the park and now we are going to enter. We have not even purchased that ticket and I don't know because this is the first time we have ever come. So let's see what is the ticket price and how we are going to enter and perform there actually. So my experience is saying that yeah, we'll perform our best because I can't see any type of hesitation and any type of nervousness. So just watch this video till the end, just enjoy and keep learning the English language by watching this. Okay, so should we go?
Yes.
Who wants to take it?
No, I don't want.
You don't want? I think you should. For you. Yeah, like we are boys, so I'm holding it. So one of you three. One of you three.
Kita. Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. So guys, now we are about to enter. Chalo. Just give it.
Give me. I hold it.
Okay, and one more thing, like nobody can use Odia.
Okay.
Only.
Only English. Okay.
Okay. Ticket कितने? किधर है? How many we are? Yeah, 7, 8, 9. Not that. So we are 9 persons. So it is 45 rupees. They are saying so. Let's give them and purchase tickets.
I think you are nervous. You are nervous?
Who is nervous?
I know. I have. Santosh.
Santosh is nervous.
No.
You should not be nervous. Okay, so let's go. We bought our 9 tickets and entered into the park. Raghav, tor kamita hoche dhar ticket. Ta tu je ticket dhar. Dei de. So okay, so where should we go there?
Yeah, there. Yes.
Okay, let's speak here first of all. Like while speaking, just let's go there.
Okay.
So are you enjoying or not?
Yes, I enjoy.
Is it your first time or like before also you have come?
Before also I have come.
Are you lying?
First time I have come to make a video.
To make a video.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm also.
You are also.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay,
I'm
let's see.
also.
So guys, are you really enjoying? Because we were thinking like we may be nervous here, but I don't think any type of nervous. I don't find here.
You can see, guys, there are a slide.
There are.
There is a slide.
No, they will think like just you have remembered that cramped and now you are just vomiting that.
No way. No.
Okay, so guys, is there anybody watching this video from Titilagarh? So if you are watching, then please visit this park and just have fun and discuss with us. Because now it is what's the time? Like watchman. 41 past 5. It's about to be 6 o'clock. So we are not able to find many people here. Like we had expected like it is curfew today. Okay, so either like many people would come here today, but no, we cannot find anybody. It is not a crowded place as well. But I think we asked them, so they said yeah, after some time this park will be full of people. Okay, do you want people or like at this surface like with no people you want to speak?
No, but I want to people.
Where is your mic?
I also want to.
How do you want to speak?
Want to
Like, among people or without people?
without people also and among people also.
Without, okay, why do you want to speak without people?
No, not without people.
Just you can look at there as well.
Not without people, but here is not any people person, so I can speak like without people.
Are you nervous?
No.
Just I think. Okay,
I think
what do you
little
think?
bit.
Is she nervous or not?
He is nervous.
Like your face is appearing like you are nervous. You are hesitant.
What about Priya?
Okay, just give her. Let's see.
Okay, tell something.
So Miss Sriya, I don't think like you are nervous today.
Priya also. She is enjoying here.
Okay, now tell. Are you enjoying or just you are feeling nervous?
I am enjoying.
You are enjoying. How do you want to enjoy here? Just tell. One question. How do you want to enjoy?
I am enjoy.
I am enjoying. I want to enjoy.
I want to enjoy very much.
Huh? Yeah, means how? By playing or by speaking English, or how do you want to enjoy?
By speaking and by playing also.
By playing as well. But we have come here to speak. Our main motive to speak. Okay. We are going to open our tripod. Here is a clip on the Sohita. So beautiful place, guys. So if you belong to any place and if there is any park, then please do visit that park to get calmness and positiveness. Because how long you will isolate yourself inside the home. No, just do visit such places and just try to have fun. Like because without tripod, if we make this video, then cameraman may get tired. So that is why we have brought it along with us.
Do you know English? That blue color.
Don't ask complete like English. English.
English. That
So,
blue color dress.
Yeah. So guys, now these three girls are going to approach a girl. So I don't know how she will. Huh? You can ask her. Yeah, you can ask her. Why no? Don't feel shy. Just she will not threaten. She will not threaten. Listen. No, don't be scared. Just try to gain your confidence. Just go there and try to approach.
তোমার না কায় না
Beginner.
So what is your name?
My name is Bhavya Agarwal.
Nice name. So where are you from?
I am from Thekidar Pada.
Okay. So in which class do you study?
I am studying in 4B.
What do you like? Playing or studying?
Sleeping. Playing or sleeping.
Yeah.
Playing and dancing.